Hello friends, I have long wanted to install a LED tape in the rear light of the car. Then he just slipped the tape into the headlight and straightened it with a long screwdrivers. Then the tape was fixed with super glue. Friends, the tape is holding up fine. Now guys, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Then I connected the wires plus to plus and minus to minus to the dimension of the light. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.